You can pick Harwin's Gecko SL connectors because you need an ultra-reliable connector that's perfect for board-to-cable, cable-to-cable, and board-to-board applications. Or you can pick them just because you like geckos. I'm not going to judge. Whatever your reason, the Gecko SL connectors feature a compact design with 6 to 50 gold-plated beryllium copper contacts that are rated for 1,000 mating cycles. The 4-fingered contacts and stainless steel screw locks enable fast and easy assembly while ensuring consistent connections even in extreme shock and vibration applications. They also use low outgassing materials for use in low-pressure environments. Gecko SL can be used in 450 volt AC and DC applications with up to 2 amps per contact and can operate at temperatures ranging from -65 to +150 degrees Celsius, providing the versatility to address a wide range of application requirements.